Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make egg and cabbage stir fry. It's a simple dish, take about 10 to 15 minutes max. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. For the cabbage, I will use about 300 to 400 grams of cabbage, and then I just shred it with hand, something small like this. For the eggs, I'm going to use 4 eggs, so this is for 3 to 4 people. For the spice, it's really simple. Garlic, green onions, and a big red chili. If you don't like spicy, you can completely skip this, but this is the big one, so it's not spicy compared to like the small one. Since this is a simple recipe, you only need 2 seasoning sauce. First one is going to be the soy sauce, and then the second one it's going to be the oyster sauce. So now let's moving into our seasoning. It's going to be simple seasoning also. You will need salt, pepper, and MSG. So now we're gonna prep our egg first. For the seasoning for the egg, it's really easy. It's gonna be half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use regular black pepper. A little bit of MSG, just a touch. So now we're gonna mix them. So you just wanna mix it until it's create a little foam like this, then it's ready to go. Now we're gonna fry this one first. All right, so now you wanna heat up your oil. When your oils is heat up, we're gonna cook our egg first. Just gonna fry it. We're gonna cook this about a couple of minutes. So it takes about like a minute or two. Now you see it's became solid. We can just turn it off, put it on the side, and we continue with our cabbage. For the cabbage, make sure the oil is hot. We're gonna add our spice. We're gonna stir fry this for a couple seconds, probably like 45 seconds to a minute, until all the aromatic is out. The fire that I use is gonna be on high settings. So as soon as the aromatic is out, this became fragrance, we're gonna add our cabbage. We're gonna cook this. Still gonna put it on high setting. We're gonna cook this for about 4 minutes. So now you see the cabbage is all soft. Now we're gonna hit with our seasoning. Dry seasoning first. Just a little bit of pepper for taste, and then MSG for taste also. The sauce seasoning, you need about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. I'm gonna mix. Now next one, the eggs, I'm gonna put it in. Now we're still gonna cook this on a high heat. We're gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. Turn off your heat. We're gonna give it a little taste. Tastes amazing. So now we're gonna put it on a plate. So now, one last thing, because before I serve, I usually drizzle just 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of sesame oil. Just a little bit, and then you can drizzle all over your dish. You don't want the sesame oil to overpower, that's why you need a little bit. And there you go, guys. The egg and cabbage stir fry is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.